If you want to remove the background in Leonardo AI quickly and cleanly, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. This is a super useful feature if you want to create product images, thumbnails, social media graphics, or any design where you need a transparent background without using complicated editing software. And best of all, it only takes a few clicks. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Leonardo AI account, and once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see a section called Library. Click on Library to open all of your saved images and generated artwork. This is where Leonardo keeps the images you've already created, so you can edit them later instead of starting over from scratch. Once your library opens, find the image you want to edit. You can scroll through your creations until you see the exact image that needs the background removed. When you find it, click directly on the image to open it in a larger view. This step is important because the background removal tool is accessed from inside the image view, not from the main gallery preview. After the image opens, look to the bottom right corner. You should see a three-dot menu icon there. Click that menu to reveal the available actions for that image. In that menu, select Remove Background. As soon as you choose it, Leonardo AI will automatically process the image and separate the subject from the background. You do not need to manually erase anything or use advanced selection tools. The AI does the heavy lifting for you in just a moment. While it processes, give it a second to generate the transparent version. Once it finishes, check the result carefully. Make sure the edges look clean, the subject is properly isolated, and the transparent background looks the way you want it to. If everything looks good, you can download the image and save it as a transparent file for your project. You can also reuse it right away in another design, thumbnail, or graphic. This is what makes Leonardo AI so convenient, because you can go from a regular image to a background-free version without leaving the platform. So to recap, go to Library, open your image, click the three-dot menu, choose Remove Background, and then download or reuse the transparent result. It's fast, simple, and a great way to clean up your visuals in seconds. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy AI tutorial.